darlings, welcome back to Style Forever After. It's Rebecca, and today we're diving for different styles that you should try before you die. If you've got clothes lying around that you haven't worn yet, or you need a new outfit Mida, or you just love fashion and want to try these looks again and want to know the backstory on these styles, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Style 1. Cutout outfits. Since the 1960s, cutout outfits have been gracing our eyes and our hearts. They made a brief return to the spotlight in the 90s with the 1996 Gucci fall/winter show before fading back into oblivion. Since Ballet and Gigi Hadid's 2017 Travel Guru and Jason Wu shows, they have been gracing red carpets and runway shows consecutively year over year since. Style 2. Distressed denim. Originally from the 1970s, as a way to stick it to those greedy corporate pigs, distressed denim jeans became a household style in the early 90s with bands like Pearl Jam, Nirvana, and Alice in Chains bringing it into the mainstream. Flash forward to today and you can use them for a high and simple everyday fit or something bizarre and edgy like this. Style 3. Off-shoulder dresses. Starting back in the 18th century during the more elegant and conservative times, off-shoulder dresses were introduced so that women could show off their shoulders and collarbones as a way to make a grand fashion statement. Today you can wear them to signify timeless elegance and an elite sense of style. Style 4. Sweater vests. Originating back to the ye old times of 1907 as athletic wear for rowers, sweater vests didn't become a staple of men's fashion until the 1930s, thanks to the likes of Woodrow Wilson and Herbert Hoover. It only finally became a staple in the women's fashion world in the 1970s. Today you can style it with a cute skirt, handbag, and boots for an upscale yet simple everyday look. And because I love you guys so much, here's a free tip. Scarf to bag. Turn a large scarf into a trendy tote bag. Simply fold and sew the edges together, adding handles if you like. It's a great way to give your old scarf a new purpose. This is an eco-friendly way to repurpose accessories and create something unique. And there you have it, 4 amazing outfits that you should try at least once before you die. Which outfit are you most excited to try? Or at least try again? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Style Forever After, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay creative and see you in the next video. Bye!